Orangebeard comes with a built-in AI assistant to help you understand your test results. If you prefer to use your own model, it can be configured by the organization administrator. To set up your own model configuration, navigate to Organization Settings and select the AI Model tab. The tab displays the current model configuration. If nothing was customized, it is set up to use Orangebeard's built-in assistant configuration. To configure your own model, select your model provider from the Provider dropdown. We currently support Anthropic, Azure OpenAI, Gemini, Mistral, and OpenAI. We'll use Mistral in this example. For Mistral, we need to provide the identification string of the model we wish to use and a valid API key. We can now customize our assistant. By limiting the maximum number of output tokens, we can influence token usage and tell the model how concise it should be. The temperature setting steers the model's creativity. Choose a low value for deterministic answers and higher values for more creativity. The daily token budget allows to limit the amount of tokens that can be used in your organization per day. Leaving this blank will remove token limits. Last, we can set up custom assistant instructions. This configuration can be used to provide organization-specific context, tell the model when certain tools should be used, or to provide domain-specific terminology that the assistant should understand. After saving the model configuration, Orangebeard will use your configured model for any assistant conversations within your organization scope. As an organization administrator, you can now keep track of token usage on this page.